Hello, everyone. Happy Friday. Quick video. I wanted to give you an update on Robinhood. If you don't know what Robinhood is, it is an app where you can buy and sell stock. I initially did a video on Robinhood maybe about a year ago, and I just want to share my success with Robinhood. When I initially started, I set up an account, which you have to set up an account. You have to give your personal information. Your identity has to be verified because we are dealing with currency. So once your identity is verified and your account is approved, you will receive a free stock. My free stock was in Apple. They will randomly pick what the free stock is, but you get one. You can either let it sit or you can sell it. My suggestion would be to let it sit and grow and just watch it. Every day you can open up the app and it will actually show you the value of the stock in real time. So I purchased, and I won't say what company name, I purchased some stock at $4, and it actually got up to $10 per share. And it got up to $10 per share, and I cashed out, and it doubled in value. So that is another way you can actually make money from your phone. I'm sure you have seen posts where people say, learn how to earn money from your phone. Robinhood is an app, so you can trade or you can monitor your stock throughout the day while at work, while at the grocery store, while at the gym. Your normal everyday life. You don't have to sit in front of a computer. If you see a stock really cheap like I do, I go in and I check those stocks and I look at growth over time. It actually give you a year worth of like real time. How has this stock grown over the last year or maybe decreased in value? You always buy really low and sell high. um so if you see some stock that's $2 or $3, why not purchase it? It's cheaper than a Starbucks coffee. You can buy 3 or 4 shares for the price of one Starbucks, and you can just sit on it. Eventually, it'll go back up, depending on the company. But that information again is available on the website. It's a clear cut app. Is very self-explanatory. It's not complicated at all, you guys. And if you want to dabble into buying and selling stock without having to go through a broker, having to take a class, I still do Forex, but I also do Robinhood as well. And I've had such a tremendous amount of success with it. I wanted to share it with my subscribers. There will be a link below the video. If you sign up, you get verified and approved for an account. You qualify for one free stock, so you can start out already winning. So you can, even if you don't start purchasing more stock, you have that one just sitting, and if for some reason it go up in value, you can sell it and earn you some money. Let that money sit in the account, or send it back over to your bank account. So I was really excited to share that information with everyone. I'm sure by now a lot of people have heard of Robinhood, but you may not have known if it's successful or not, or if it's something worth dabbling into. It is. It is, especially for the everyday person that don't really know about stock. Anytime you purchase a stock, you're adding value to your life, instead of you already seen some of my videos and how I feel about splurging. If you're going to splurge, why not buy a $5 stock in I don't know, Fitbit? I think Fitbit right now, and if you don't know what Fitbit is, it's like that band that monitors your heart rate, your BIP and different things, and keep you on track. It monitors your steps, how many miles you walk a day, and all. It's called Fitbit. I think their stock got all the way down. When I first seen it, it was like $3, you guys. $3. So if you just set up an account and get approved, get your free stock. You can go in there and see all of the companies that the price of all of the company stock. And if you see something that's within your budget, I say purchase it. Purchase it and let it sit. And when it goes, you buy low and you sell high. When it go high, sell, cash out, get your money. I'm actually connected with a group, and the young man, I think he's like 22, 23. He usually set a goal to make about $400 to $500 a day buying and selling. Some days he double up. And he invested so much, he put so much into his account. He buy low and sell high. And he monitor the market, where you can see when certain stocks fluctuate. We're in the fourth quarter. If you don't know what fourth quarter is, because I've mentioned this in other videos last year, fourth quarter is when people start buying. We're settling into the fall. People are getting nestled in. They're getting their homes ready for of October, even Halloween, even all these holidays that people really do it big with. They're going to be out spending. So you want to be on the receiving end as well, and not just out spending. Purchase a few stock, and when it shoot up in December, sell. And consider that as a Christmas gift for yourself. Some of these stocks are really, really cheap. Don't be intimidated by the stock market thinking that, well, I don't make enough money to do that. You do. You do. Most people that started buying and selling stock started out with very little money too, but they took a risk in their they trusted their instinct. So this is a great way. And then, like I said, they're giving you a free stock. So that's an initiative just to set up the account. I'm about to go. This video is way longer than what I intended, because I intended 5 minutes. The link will be below for Robinhood. Set up the account, get verified, get your free stock, start earning some money this fall. Don't always be the one spending money. Be on the receiving end of having money come into your life and manifesting what you want. Until next time, you guys, stay blessed and fearless, and I'll see you next video. Bye.